This system was entirely scalable. You could bolt a unit to the back of a family sedan or attach a massive reactor to the front of a truck to handle heavy industrial logistics. During the war, total energy independence moved beyond theory and became a battle-tested historical reality, forced into existence by necessity. Extracting explosive energy from raw wood without simply burning it down to useless ash requires a clever scientific paradox. The solution is the invert generator. Wood is loaded into a sealed, highly oxygen-restricted environment. By applying extreme heat to the bottom of this chamber without allowing open flames, the wood is chemically starved. Instead of combusting, the solid mass undergoes a thermochemical breakdown, releasing a combustible mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. Engineers call this potent chemical mixture produced.